Today I'm going to show you how to make an appointment on Google Calendar. First, you'll need to locate your Google Calendar. I like to go through Gmail, and if you go up here to the 9 squares, if you click on there, you can find your calendar. Simply click on your calendar, it'll open up. And then you find the date that you want. Okay, so I want to make an appointment for next week. And then you go over here to find the person that you want to make an appointment with. If you don't see them in your other calendars, simply go up to the Add Calendar, and then you can find them from there. You can type in the email. Okay, so I want to choose Susie, and then I can see that if I turn her calendar on and off, okay, I can see her appointments. I'm going to make an appointment for Wednesday the 9th. So I simply just click on the space, okay? And then I'm going to add a title, meeting. I can go down here, I can change the time if I want to. And I'm going to go to more options. And this is really important because to make sure that Susie gets the invite as well, I need to make sure that I actually send her the invite. Okay? Otherwise, if you just click save, the appointment will show up on your calendar, but Susie won't know, the person that you want to invite won't know unless you actually send them an invite. So you can see that I typed in add guests, there was Susie there. I could put the location if I wanted to, I could put the description, I could even add an attachment if I had an agenda or something, which I don't. And then I'm going to click save, and from there, then this is really important because if you forget this, the person will not know that you sent them an invite. So it says, would you like to send invitation emails to the Google Calendar guests? Yes, I will send it. And then I can go back to look at my calendar, and it shows meeting, and then it shows pending here. It shows Susie's, the invite here, waiting for Susie to accept or decline. And that's it.